Are you looking for the best Creality 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Official Creality Ender 3 3D printer. Then, we'll take a look at the official Creality Ender 3 3D printer. It's another choice for us for its 3D printing capacity. Creality Ender 3 is one of the best printers on the market today. With its innovative design and reliable performance, this 3D printer is perfect for any level of user, from beginner to expert. The official Creality Ender 3 3D printer is a high-quality machine that offers great value for the price. This printer is designed with next-generation technology. The official Creality Ender 3 is a partially assembled kit that is perfect for middle school and high school-aged students. It's an excellent project to spark a lifelong love for science and engineering. The Ender 3 is the latest 3D printer from Creality, one of the most popular manufacturers in the industry. Fully open source and compatible with a wide range of filaments. Number 2. Official Creality Ender 3 V2. Next, we'll find out what official Creality Ender 3 V2 has to offer. The printer has featured UL certified power supply, self-developed motherboard, and more. The Ender 3 V2 is the upgraded version of the popular Ender 3 3D printer. It has a self-developed silent motherboard, which makes it faster and more stable, with silent printing and low decibel operation. Developed with safety and ease of use in mind, this printer is perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. This upgraded printer has a brand new operation UI system and 4.3 smart color screen that make it easier than ever to get started with 3D printing. When it comes to 3D printing, you want a printer that is reliable, efficient, and easy to use. This upgraded printer has a resume printing function. Number 3. Official Creality Ender 3 3D printer. The 4th printer we'll review in this video is the official Creality Ender 3 3D printer. To be honest, we loved its advanced extruder technology, reduced errors, and easy and quick assembly capacity. If you're looking for a reliable 3D printer that can resume printing even after a power outage or lapse, the Ender 3 is perfect for you. The Ender 3 is the perfect printer for those who are looking for an affordable and easy-to-use machine. This printer is fully open source, meaning that you can modify it to fit your needs. This printer features advanced extruder technology, ensuring smooth, reliable printing with minimal risk of plugging or bad extrusion. With its V-shape and POM wheels, it also moves quietly and smoothly, making it ideal for use in any setting. Get into the amazing world of 3D printing with this official Creality Ender 3 printer. It's fully open source, so you can customize it to your heart's content. The safety-protected power supply means you only need 5 minutes for the hotbed to reach 110 degrees. Number 4. Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. Coming to our last 3D printer for today's review. We're going to review the Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer, which is an affordable product with removable build surface plate and safe power supply. Check it out. Looking for a 3D printer that offers a removable build surface plate? This printer is perfect for anyone looking to produce high-quality prints with ease. With its removable build surface plate, you can rest assured that your prints will come out looking great every time. The Creality Ender 3 Pro is a great 3D printer for hobbyists and professionals alike. It features a safe power supply and a removable build surface plate, making it easy to use and keep clean. This printer has a removable build surface plate, so you can easily resume printing after an interruption. Plus, it's easy to use, perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. This Creality Ender 3 printer comes partially assembled, so you can learn about the basics of 3D printing as you finish putting it together.